Today we are gonna mill a carbon fiber gasket. We are gonna use 2 mm carbon fiber sheet, and also we are gonna use a diameter 4 specialized carbon cutter. We are gonna also use wheel mill in order to enhance the stability of the produced part. We are gonna use our sophisticated vacuum table that allows you to place the parts without the need of any mechanical vise. Wheel mill is already in place, so we are gonna place our part as well. Our CNC is equipped with a dual extraction system on the hood, so you can connect your external vacuum suction unit in order to remove the dust. Here is our piece, ready, no need for post-processing.